It's Technique Tuesday time. That's right, KOSHO Brent KICKS back at you for another episode of Technique Tuesday. Very excited to be back. We're, I think, at our 4th or 5th episode of the return to Technique Tuesday. We have been with Semi Jacob here. We've been covering the KOSHO RYU KEMPO MON, the coat of arms Shochikai. And we went through all the representations primarily. Last week, I believe we did bow breaking from Keegan. So we're going to do open hand or TheONNA striking for the second representation of KAISHU. So that is not the opposite of karate. Karate does have TheONNA, but a lot of karate that I studied and that might be out there is hard style, meaning force against force. TheONNA is kind of the alternative. So it redirects force or it escapes and then comes back in. So there's a lot of examples of that I'm not going to share today because I don't want to get any negative messages. But male and female inner parts, you figure it out. I'm going to demonstrate some of the TheONNA open hand. So generally, TheONNA striking is 3 strikes minimum versus all my eggs in one basket. So if we go to the outside, of course, as I've said every week, you got to do this and this first. So we're controlling that. Okay, outside's the safest to learn from. And then the striking is what presents, in this case, maybe palms and elbows. Let's do it from the other side, just because you'll be able to see his outside better. All right, back up a little bit more. Awesome. Punch me in the face, please. What a great guy. So I've already got my first strike in, second strike, third strike, fourth strike, fifth strike. Done in sequence. Nope, you moved. Got to do it again. He moved. I get to do it again. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'll slow it down this time. Stay there, buddy. Right here is going to be a palm strike. I think you heard that. Okay, this is going to stop the rotation. Okay, hip. Shuto came here, followed by another palm and an inside palm. So again, I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket. All right, she's telling me you got to go over here. So I want to do, again, I got a couple of comments about the straight bunch. Why aren't you doing a hook punch? I love hook punches. Okay, it's harder to defend against a straight punch, frankly. It's like, can you catch a fly ball easier than a line drive? Absolutely. But I'm going to learn to throw the hook, and we're going to do a street style, no step through. Because really in the street, people don't generally step through and strike. They power lunge. So there's a good street. See that right on the temple? All right, I'm ready this time. Controlling arts with TheONNA. Block, escape, strike, 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 strike. Put it together. Okay. Oh, I got another one I like. Okay. That's one from Iron Fortress of Kempo, I believe. So here, I'm already hitting on the entry. Rolling to the back fist, hammer fist, palm. Check, palm. So at speed. Okay. Hey, that's fun, huh? For me. So TheONNA is an acquired taste. I suggest you use a bob or a billy bob to learn it. But man, it is spreading your strikes out, not putting all your eggs in one basket, and it is deceptively powerful. It's also very confusing in the street. So it's a barrage versus them focusing on one attack. All right, play with it. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, keep it to yourself. I'll see you on the mat.